Hi, my name's Paul Rabbetts and I've been drumming for around 35 years and I use Collision Drumsticks. I've chosen Collision Drumsticks for their quality, durability and grip. They've never let me down, I've never had them break. They're great.
It was a Wednesday night.
In all my years of playing, these are certainly the best sticks I've ever used. Now enjoy the track from my band, Motivator.